Today I'll show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts to make $156, $182, or $255 per video you paste. Now, because YouTube isn't the best way to monetize your YouTube Shorts, I'll show you another way to make money and get the most out of your videos using a simple 4-step procedure. It will assist you in making money from YouTube Shorts, without having to make your own videos and without revealing your identity. So, first and foremost, we'll discuss how to locate the ideal pair of shorts. Then there's the matter of copying and pasting, as well as making those YouTube Shorts. Then there's the question of how to actually upload those YouTube Shorts and how to get those YouTube Shorts to earn views. Step 1. To find the niche, I show you the Some Niches channel who make shorts and earn money. Step 2. To find the video. Step 3. To create a video. Step 4. To upload a video.